Crash course on macroeconomics, economic growth and development. Gain an understanding of economic growth and development and how it impacts society. Economic growth and development are critical components of any society. It refers to the expansion of the economy, which results in increased productivity, improved standards of living, and higher levels of consumption. Economic growth and development involve both the quantitative and qualitative aspects of economic activity, including physical infrastructure, human capital, innovation, and social institutions. Economic growth and development can have significant impacts on society, from reducing poverty and unemployment to increasing access to education and healthcare. Understanding the drivers of economic growth and development is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and individuals to make informed decisions about their investments and economic activities. Here are some examples of how economic growth and development can impact our daily lives. 1. Increased income and employment opportunities. Economic growth can lead to increased job opportunities, higher wages, and increased household income, all of which can help to improve people's standards of living. 2. Improved access to education and healthcare. Economic growth can help to improve access to education and healthcare, which are critical for human development. 3. Improved infrastructure. Economic growth can lead to the development of infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, and public transportation systems, which can improve access to goods and services. 4. Improved social services. Economic growth can help to increase government revenue, which can be used to improve social services, such as public safety and sanitation. 5. Reduced poverty and inequality. Economic growth can help to reduce poverty and inequality by creating jobs, increasing household income, and improving access to social services. 6. Increased international trade. Economic growth can lead to increased international trade, which can provide new opportunities for businesses to grow and expand. 7. Increased investment opportunities. Economic growth can create new investment opportunities for businesses and individuals, which can lead to increased wealth and prosperity. 8. Increased innovation. Economic growth can stimulate innovation and the development of new products and technologies, which can improve productivity and create new opportunities for businesses and individuals. 9. Increased tourism. Economic growth can lead to increased tourism, which can create new job opportunities and boost local economies. 10. Increased standard of living. Economic growth can improve people's standards of living by providing access to better healthcare, education, and social services. 11. Increased consumer spending. Economic growth can lead to increased consumer spending, which can boost the overall economy by increasing demand for goods and services. 12. Improved global competitiveness. Economic growth can help countries become more globally competitive, which can attract new investment and create new job opportunities. This crash course on macroeconomics explored the following topics related to economic growth and development. A. Definition of economic growth and development and its impact on society. B. Examples of how economic growth and development can impact our daily lives, such as increased income and employment opportunities, improved access to education and healthcare, improved infrastructure, reduced poverty and inequality, increased international trade, increased investment opportunities, increased innovation, increased tourism, increased standard of living, increased consumer spending, and improved global competitiveness. C. Economic growth and development cases, such as the rapid development of China's economy, the success of South Korea's export-oriented industrialization, the investment in human capital in Singapore, and the emphasis on technology and innovation in Silicon Valley. Overall, understanding economic growth and development is crucial for individuals, businesses, and policymakers to make informed decisions about their investments and economic activities. Here is a poem. Economic growth and development. The foundation of a thriving society. Increased productivity and consumption. Improving standards of living for all. From jobs and income to education and healthcare. Infrastructure and social services that we share. Reduced poverty and inequality. And new opportunities that we see. International trade and investment. Innovation and tourism to augment. Standard of living that's rising. Consumer spending that's enticing. global competitiveness that we gain, economic growth that we sustain, a brighter future for us to obtain, through economic growth and development's reign. In conclusion, understanding the drivers of economic growth and development is essential for individuals, businesses, and policymakers to make informed decisions about their economic activities. The benefits of economic growth and development can have far-reaching impacts on society, from reducing poverty and inequality to improving access to education and healthcare. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.